An introduction to MasterPiece, features and benefits. MasterPiece can support a flooring retailer from first contact with the customer, through the visit to the customer's home, to revisions and acceptance, and then to successful fitting. At each stage, MasterPiece delivers benefits including time saving, mistake reduction, improved selling and professionalism, and customer service. MasterPiece has been designed from start to work either on a desktop or laptop in the store and also on a tablet PC with a pen whilst walking from room to room in the customer's home. MasterPiece is a jigsaw of capabilities which integrate together to form a seamless whole. A retailer can select the capabilities of interest within a budget, secure in the knowledge that additional capabilities can be added in if subsequently required. This video will illustrate the features and benefits of the baseline version of MasterPiece. Another video will introduce additional capabilities. The baseline system covers measuring, planning and quantification for raw materials, vinyls and carpets, and laminates. It is available to download for a free trial, and users can self-familiarize via walkthrough documents and training videos. When measuring, MasterPiece's freehand drawing and dimensioning follows the same scheme as when working on paper, so the transition to measuring on screen is made easy. Once we have selected the rooms we want from the room naming panel, we draw the shape of the room by simply clicking on the corners of the room like so. As when working on paper, the shape is drawn without any dimensions being entered. Dimensions are then entered by clicking on a wall and entering the length thus. The shape morphs to the correct geometric shape as more dimensions are entered, with the system recording entries made in blue and deducing any lengths it can, showing these in pink. It's not possible for further dimensions entered to alter those already entered, an important safety feature. All dimensioned rooms are geometrically valid and the dimensions of one side of the room will always match those on the other side. A unique capability of MasterPiece is the ability to enter wall-to-wall dimensions as an alternative to wall lengths, thus. This flexibility is important while working in the home, where furniture may make taking some dimensions difficult. Generally, measurements are entered net in MasterPiece, with an allowance added separately to create the shape with allowance added shown here. The benefit is that when planning, the allowance can be squeezed back if necessary, with full knowledge of how much allowance there is available. Stairs creation is made easy thus. As is the creation of a winder set or bullnose. The stair components can be linked together to show the whole stairway. We will also draw a hall and a landing to show how these can be linked to the stair components. Once all the rooms are drawn and dimensioned, we will select to fix them, i.e. add their allowance. As we saw earlier, you can fix each room as it's drawn, or alternatively we can fix all rooms at once using the Fix All button like so. Once rooms have been fixed, we can go to the floor plan view to see how our rooms link up to one another. By linking the doors of each room, the floor plan is more or less complete the first time we see it. With the allowances given, we can plan our job by moving to the planning view here. MasterPiece's manual planning facilities are quick, easy and fun to use. Pieces are simply dragged to their required position on the roll, where they snap into place. There are no sums to be done in the head to see what will fit where. You simply test a piece like so by using the bump arrows, and it's clear whether a piece will fit or not. We have full flexibility to put seams where we want them, thus, and to choose how stairs are cut and positioned. When we're happy with our plan, we choose to fit roll, so we see how much carpet is required. We are able to split the planned length into a number of cuts if required, thus. We follow through the guided save sequence, and the printout for the fitter is automatically formed into a block plan, where the gaps are closed up to give clean knife runs, but leaving any larger areas of waste visible in case the customer may wish to have a rug. Several different plans can be saved. For instance, both a 4 metre and a 5 metre plan could be generated. We can then compare the wastage of each plan using the plan list. The floor plan automatically shows the seams which have been created, so the customer can see and approve the seam positions. With the plans done, we can see the quantification report, which gives us all the quantities we need to cost the job. As well as listing cuts of carpet, this report automatically quantifies the amount of underlay and gripper required. The underlay is netted down to a sufficient amount, and this can deliver the retailer significant competitive advantage. The net area of each room can be seen in case screed or hardboard needs to be costed in. We have seen that the baseline version of MasterPiece has unique capabilities and is ideal for use both in the home and in the store. It offers a significant time saving and reduces mistakes compared with the traditional paper and pencil method. Moreover, if additional capabilities are required, these can be added on seamlessly, as described in the second introductory video.